Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about dentcoin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the urgent update of dentcoin. What's going on in the dentcoin? What surprise changes occur in the dentcoin. In this video I will show you, but before starting this video I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, now the latest price of the dent coin in the market is 0.020288 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the dent coin. My friends, you know what, the change is occurring. Just look here, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week change is occurring. The dent coin is positive. Only yesterday, unfortunately the yesterday changes of the dent coin is negative, and except after yesterday changes, the the all changes is positive. And especially my friends, I'm very happy to see the last 1 week changes of the dent coins. That's mean, my friends, that from the 1st August the dent coins start pumping, and still they are in the pumping mode. So guys, possibilities that they will continue this pump for a long time. Possibilities, my friends, we can't say about the future. You can see here, my friends, if you look the price chart of the dent coin, so now everything is going lost. You can see here the price very petty completely dumps, and now from this point you can see here there is the support line. Now they'll start pumping, my friends. Possibilities, my friends, now the latest situation is positive, so possibilities, my friends, that now they will continue this pump for a long time. But we can't say about the future, but my prediction, 70% possibilities that the price will increase, my friends. Anyways, we can't say about the future. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bitcoin? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.